Here at Backyard Built Performance, we not only destroy the competition's prices, we shatter them.
Think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in the SRT, but it feel like a Rari. And she calling my phone, I'm blowing up, she say I'm sorry. I think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in.
Today we're gonna do a little bit of some vlog action. I ain't really got too much going on in the shop this week. About to head over to Trippy house and help him with his 350Z. We gotta replace the starter in it. We had push started it the other day, but yeah, it won't crank up worth a fuck. And we done checked everything. Battery's good, everything is good. So we're gonna start bringing some car coverage to Backyard Built, man, because this truck shit's cool and all that, but I know in North Carolina soon it's really gonna start slowing down a lot with the squatted truck scene. I mean, the lifted trucks and shit like that will be around, but there's gonna be limits on everything in North Carolina, so it ain't really gonna be too crazy like it used to be. But of course we're gonna be trying to do what we can. But as far as me and Trippy go, I believe we are going to end up selling our wheels and our lifts and going back to just some reps and some stack leveling kits. Just because, like I said, I gotta have something to tow my Civic hatch around with, and I can't do it on fucking 26x14s and a 15-inch lift. That's dangerous. Yeah, I plan on eventually selling my truck and getting me a diesel, so that way I can pull something and still be sitting on a Cognito. Hint, hint. But that'll be a little bit down the road. Right now I'm gonna just ride my truck around with reps and a leveling kit and just keep it clean until it's time to let her go. But yeah, man, just gonna get on this road, and we're gonna get to Trippy's house and see what he owns. Out here working on the Z, Backyard Built Mobile, getting his little start out.
You already know, man. Taking over the car game too. Stop.
You know how we do. Truck shit about to be over with. Well, not completely, but we ain't gonna be sitting. Yeah, we'll let y'all figure out what the hell we're gonna be doing next. We're gonna be doing the car shit, but you know, might have a little bit of some black smoke coming next year sometime.
Sponsored by Smart Water. Best water you can ever drink from Niagara Falls.
No cap. We ended up not getting Trippy's car figured out. We tried to get the starter out. That bitch was like damn near welded onto the damn T-case. So it just looks like we're just gonna put it off for right now. Looking at all these diesels and shit, man, I'm ready for that lifestyle, man. I'm ready for it. So I'm just ready to move on from this stuff, man, and just get into some new shit. But keep the trucks and shit, but just do it a different way with some diesel shit. So that's the plans. So I don't know, I guess we'll see. But let's see what else we get into. So I hate that fucking chime shit. We had the car wash right now. About to just wash my truck and shit. I don't know, this might be the last time I get to wash it how it is. I'm supposed to be getting rid of the wides. I don't know, some people been hitting me up, but they've been bullshitting. People want expensive ass wheels, but they don't want to pay expensive ass prices. I don't get it. About to go ahead and probably wash my truck up and get it cleaned up. Just get all the dirt and shit that's been on it off of it, so that way I can get it prepared to take the lift off this bitch. So gonna be selling the lift off of this and fuck, getting rid of everything. See, my whip antenna's kind of smashed up there. I gotta find my damn tennis ball again. Fuck. Yeah, I'm tired of this shit. But yeah, man, about to be selling the lift, taking everything off, going back to just 2 level kits and some reps, and it'll be it for this truck till I sell it and get me a diesel. So that's the plans. But for now, I'm gonna just take care of her a little bit until I take everything off. Might be soon, might be a couple weeks from now, I don't know. So we'll see.
Check my designer, lately I been on Balenciaga stepping on him. Hey, don't fuck with Rico, cause that nigga keep a weapon on him. He got bad bitches everywhere, but keep protection on him. I'm counting bands like I'm in the gym, and I been flexing. Check my designer, lately I been on Balenciaga stepping on him. Hey, don't fuck with Rico, cause that nigga keep a weapon on him. He got bad bitches everywhere, but keep protection on him. I'm counting bands like I'm in the gym, and I been flexing. I went crazy on the lick, ain't even had my mask on. Serving at the gas station, had to get that pack gone. Bitch, don't call my line, I don't need no fucking trap phone. I got the strap on, oops, I meant my fucking straps on. I'm in outer space, smoking cookies with an astronaut. Don't do features with these niggas, cause these niggas cap a lot. They be running like a sentence, but the one without a dot. I'm the shit without a dot, cut the fan on when it's hot. Baby want a real nigga, well I said you got the one. I'm not paranoid, you won't catch me unless I got my gun. We hitting lists like tricks, cause we got them bands, do shit for fun. It's tatted on my neck, oh yeah bitch, yeah I'm the chosen one. Check my designer, lately I been on Balenciaga stepping on him.
So I got her cleaned up. She looking real nice. Sad that I'm about to be disassembling this motherfucker, but there ain't no thing on. I ain't tripping about it. I could build 10 times. I could build another one fucking 10 times bigger, 10 times better. So, and plus it's time for me to go to the diesel life. What I might do is get me a 07 to 13 Sierra and build it with a Cognito, just for the time being until I get me a damn diesel. But for right now, I'm still up in the air with what I want to do. I low-key want to go get an older Cat Eye Duramax and build it, and then build me a old body or a 07 to 13 Sierra or Silverado, don't matter, put a Cognito on it and build a diesel too, or I can just get me a new body diesel. Still in the loop for it, I don't know. So hopefully I'll figure something out soon, but I'm not in a rush. Like I said, truck market going crazy, so I want to go ahead and jump in it while I'm fucking able to, and try to see how much I can get for this motherfucker. But I think the lift is already sold. Y'all see some more on that later on. And as far as the wheels, been trying to find some trades, been trying to sell them, but a lot of people hit me up, they be bullshitting or they ain't got the money, so I ain't really tripping. Like I said, I'll probably just see what I can find. If anything, I'll just sell them outright. I ain't tripping, but I'm gonna miss looking at her like this, man. She clean as a motherfucker. This the shit that make me not want to get rid of it, but always room for new projects, man. I done maxed this one out, and I done did everything I could do to it. And it's still up in the air. We trying to see what exactly I want to do. If I want to get a diesel and a gas truck and build both of them, or if I want to just get one new body diesel truck. I don't know. Y'all drop in the comments what y'all think I should do. I don't know. I got a lot of time to think about it. I ain't really tripping. As long as I have something built by next year, whenever it gets warm and shit like that, which I'm pretty sure I will, I'll be fine with it. I ain't tripping. All right, so don't really got anything going, so go mess around with the EG hatch and try to go ahead and get her cleaned off and cleaned up a little bit. She's got a little bit of age sitting on her, a lot of dirt and shit like that. I might go ahead and get the windshield replaced in it here soon, and go ahead and order fenders and just a little shit for right now. This car's body is pretty clean. Like, I don't see any dents, none of that shit. So it's a good score, man. Most of these EGs, you'll find them and they'll be like beat the fuck up and all type of shit. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can push this bitch around by myself and see if I can go ahead and get it cleaned up. So let's see what we can do. All right, so got her all cleaned up, got the engine bay kind of sprayed out. It's got some bullshit in here that somebody tried to make work, but gonna be taking that mount out and pretty much trying to delete a lot of this shit that's in here. I want to try to tuck everything as much as I can, because when this K goes in, I'm gonna have to cut that mount off. So I'm gonna have to move these hoses. These will probably come out anyway. I'm not gonna have AC in this shit, but gonna take those hoses off, then I'll have to drill off that mount. It looks like somebody welded that shit back on, to be honest. Yeah, somebody welded that shit back on. So I'm gonna have to oh, that's gonna be fucking fun. God damn, you see that frog? That nigga is not playing. Right, this is my shit. But yeah, it looks like somebody welded this mount on, so I don't know what their reasoning behind that was. I'm gonna have to push the roof out a little bit. It's got a couple waves in the top, but we can work that out and get that fixed. That's not a big issue, but god damn, look at that little motherfucker, bro. I just what? Look at his stupid ass. That's what you get, bitch. Anyways, like I said, just wanted to wash it and look around it. When I bought it, I really just glanced over it and then just parked it in the back. But just making a little list of what I need. Definitely gonna be needing some new mirrors. This one's cracked, and then the other one's just, I can just kick the motherfucker off basically. Fender, and cut that mount off. That's gonna be something that I'm gonna need to do pretty soon, especially when I get to ordering these engine mounts. But not sure. I want to do Lexan on the rear, back here, these windows, and then the back hatch glass. Probably do a carbon fiber hatch, carbon fiber drag wing, some side skirts, and as far as the front end, I might get a 3-piece front end, but we'll see. Like I said, still trying to piece together all my engine components and try to make a checklist for everything that I need to get this shit up and rolling. But hopefully pretty soon we should have everything riding. To all my Honda subscribers, if y'all are excited to see what I can do with this, put a thumbs up in the comments. But anyways, let me close this up and lock it up, and then I'm gonna pretty much just go in the crib. Oh, this is Canadian hatch. So this hatch is from Canada, so it's Canadian EG, so it's got the roll-up windows. Damn, G. Damn, I didn't even know that. Paint's probably gonna be number one for me, and then of course fucking with the motor and everything. I'll show you all the specs on what I'm gonna do pretty soon once I start getting some pieces in. But for now, like I said, since I ain't have much to do, I decided to go ahead and get out here, get this cleaned up, and get it ready to go, so that way when parts start arriving, I can start throwing them on. I really need to get my wheels so that way I can roll it around, but ain't too big of a deal right now. If I can find some decent wheels, I'll probably get them, but I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get this thing running. Hoping by the end of the month, or probably next month, I can have this shit like in the car running and taking it to go get tuned. So I don't know, bro, but I'm excited. So this will be it for right now, and we'll pick back up probably once I start fucking with it again. So let's go.